Welcome to KJ Animations. Today we will dive into the exciting world of price comparisons with interesting objects and experiences. From full-scale dinosaur replicas to hotels with roller coasters. Prepare for a fascinating journey as we compare the unusual, the extravagant, and the truly amazing. Can you guess which is worth more? Which is worth more? A dinner at a 3-star Michelin restaurant or a designer dress? A hot air balloon or a personal submarine? Look at these two objects. A deep-sea diving suit or extreme water slide. Have you ever seen any of the following objects? A luxury treehouse or a flying bike? A carnivorous plant garden or a giant saltwater aquarium? Check out these cool hotels. A night in a hotel submerged in the ocean, or a night in a hotel with a roller coaster. Which is worth more? A 3D food printer or headphones that translate languages in real time? A holographic projector or a solar backpack with a built-in charger? A digital hourglass or a professional-grade DSLR camera? You will be surprised with these objects. A high-quality memory foam mattress or a state-of-the-art drone? An astronomical telescope or a necklace of natural pearls? A full-scale dinosaur replica or robot building kit? What do you think of these exclusive objects? A collection of Victorian-era antiques or a vintage Cognac bottle? That's all for today. Have you been surprised by the prices of some objects? Don't forget to comment on what objects you were surprised. Remember to like and subscribe for see more videos. Goodbye and have an amazing day.